Today is an exciting day for you guys. You get to move out of this to the coop outdoors. What do you think if we do this?
Come with me,
Bring Matt, come with me.
We're petting Sunshine. Ooh, she clearly wanted me to stay there, but I walked away, and she kind of jumped on me as she wanted me to stay. Right, Mommy? I'm going a different way. And there's flowers on the ground, Mama. Look. Ew, right an egg over there. Ugh. There's red. What is that? What is it? Is it chicken netting?
Well, it's close.
But the chickens can't go. They can stick their toes in it. And stick it.
We could take a little bit of this.
Wait, I've got an idea. We could take a little bit of that and cover both the bottom part of the door up there. That section of the door up. Old enough to get the whole body out of here.
I don't know how long it is, but
I will move.
if we roll it out,
Let's roll it out.
okay, roll it out, so.
Sorry, that is hard.
Yeah,
Is it with bent or something?
because it's been in a roll for a long time.
You need it to cover the whole bottom of this fence up. Hey, Dad, leave it. Okay, switch. Dad, it's got to cover the whole fence.
I know that.
And there's enough there to do that.
And if we put it, if we stretch it out and maybe zip tie it
Well,
to at least one side and then use some twine or something on the other side.
probably want to zip tie it on that end
And then use one on that.
and be able to remove it from that end because that's the side the gate opens on.
Right, right. I'm just saying.
Now, can I let go? I think the dog loves wild strawberries.
Yes, you can let go.
Whew. At least that part did not roll.
Okay.
Let's leave
So,
this in here so we
that'll
can,
be the plan.
so we can
We're going to
create.
use this,
We got to create
cover the bottom of this. Is there any other
over there.
parts that you know of
Go over
that need to be covered
there.
up?
Right at this point, that gate has just enough gap where they can get out at this stage. If you wait for them to get a little bit bigger, they won't be able to do that.
So we better cover this
Well,
side.
yeah, but we
and
can. How much bigger?
Well,
about that big.
the gap is like this.
Yep, it's like this. Okay.
You know, over here,
It's like
that size of the
this.
gap.
Yeah. Well, I saw full-grown chickens getting out of that. They just squeaked down and did it.
Yeah, at the farm. Yeah, I accidentally let them out. Yeah, they went like
Yeah,
this.
spot right there between the house,
Uh-huh.
and then there's a spot.
Better
That
fence
one?
that area and that area.
Which ain't.
What if we...
And then you got this little gap right there.
So we gotta cover. And cover. Seth, that log, that
Okay.
rock is down there and burned up.
So what if we put the coop right here?
Yeah, no, that door.
That'd take care of...
There's burned up
That
cigarettes
spot.
in there, Mama. Yeah, but then there's gonna be a hole over here if we could put the coop right over here. There's a hole down at the bottom for the cage. So if we put them in the cage, they'll just run right out. Seth, Daddy does not like that on the window.
We're concerned about them getting out of there, so... Not about them coming out into here.
I'm concerned that I want to wait a little bit till they get old enough. I want to wait just a
Well,
little
they can
bit,
be
like-
in the coop.
I want to wait a couple days with them inside the cage part.
At their age now, they can stay in the coop for another 2 to 3 weeks.
We
Until
can
they
leave them
get-
in the coop for 2 to 3 weeks.
I know.
And that'll give us time to do
Fix
all of that. Fix
fix
all
the
of that
whole
stuff
fence
up
up.
and do all of that.
That way their
Why do you...
bedding's all done
What time
up
is it?
and they'll know where to lay their eggs.
It's time to
Yeah.
get the chicken coop.
So we don't have to come out in the yard and look up under there and in there and hunting through everything to find eggs.
Yeah, we want to encourage them to lay their eggs in their nesting box. Right, Mommy?
Right.
What if they lay eggs right in there? That's what we want them to do.
Okay, well,
No, what if they lay their eggs?
I guess we got sort of a plan.